Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be changing out our tag lights. I had one burn out and I got a CDL, so I need to not let even little stuff like this go too long. I found some 194 bulbs online. Yep, got enough to last a long time. And this time we're going to do white instead of the red. I put the red ones in when I had the Corolla, and really looking at it now, if you have a Toyota Corolla or a Honda Civic, the red ones are okay, assuming your local laws agree with you on that, of course. But with an SUV, I just want to make it look a little more adult. So the first thing we'll do is remove these covers. This just takes a Phillips head screwdriver, like so. Then the old bulb just pulls out. New one just pushes in, and I like to use a rag so that the dirt on my hands doesn't get on the bulb. Then just make sure they work before you put everything back together. And then just repeat the process for the other side and you're done. Here's a shot of it at night. Probably one of the easiest car repair jobs you can do. No need to take it to the dealership where they're probably going to use those old school halogen bulbs and charge you for it. I know in 2003 LED bulbs like this were still kind of a luxury car item, but part of the fun of doing this yourself is upgrading. Plus, I mean, 03 Highlander kind of had some things here and there for its time. Also, I invite you to my other channel called Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. This video isn't even 2 minutes long, so let's have a Bible study. Link will be in the description. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.